Oh boy. Yo, what up? It's episode 2 in the garage, and today I'm going to show you how to fix your ripped off block heater end. Let's go. Today we're working on a Beetle. We're going to be replacing the block heater end. Okay. Step 1, you want to strip your wires. Just twist them up a bit. Alright, got your new plug. You got your end of your plugs, feed your wires through the hole. Nice. Now you got your end with the 3 little screws. You're gonna notice the green. Green is for your ground, so always green to green. The other 2 are your power and neutral, and it doesn't matter which one they go on. Okay, get your green wire in there, tighten her down. Get your power. Alright, once you get your wires hooked up, just put the plugs back together and we'll test it out after. Boom! And that's how you replace a block heater end. Now after you replace it, make sure you always check the continuity. Make sure the cord and elements are all working. And we're good. As long as you have continuity there, you have a working block heater element.